Feeling great inside an Audi begins with a pleasant smell in the interior. This is why the individual vehicle parts are all chemically analysed and evaluated. The objective being to create the best possible smell. But what are the preferences of Audi customers? And how is that special new car fragrance achieved? The odor specialist Dr. Ludwig Poll deals with issues like these on a daily basis. Well, Audi customers like it best when they can hardly smell anything in a new car. No odour at all is unfavourable, of course, but there shouldn't be any really noticeable ones. He not only analyses odours, but also chemical substances that can escape from the vehicle parts. Heat lamps set up outside the vehicle simulate the effects of high interior temperatures on hot summer days. The odours produced are then evaluated by 3 to 5 test persons. There are parts that smell dull or musty, and there are also parts with a very sharp smell. Assessment of the perceived odours is done via a system of marks. They range from 1 to 6, with 6 representing a really noticeable smell. The components need to reach a maximum of 3.5 to be processed in the Audi. The Audi new car fragrance is derived from natural emissions from valuable materials inside the car, such as leather, and a neutral, pleasant plastic odour. Pleasant-smelling materials mustn't contain any substances harmful to health, of course. For this reason, the chemical constituents of the materials are thoroughly checked. An Audi specialist heats up the vehicle components inside a so-called component chamber. This is done for 4 hours at a temperature of 65 degrees Celsius.
We analyse
the air in the chamber. All the gas produced by the 4 hours of storage accumulates inside, and then the substances can be condensed in so-called absorption tubes, similar to a sponge absorbing water. A so-called chromatogram then shows the chemical ingredients that have been filtered out. Each peak represents a substance that was found inside the component chamber. If the values are exceeded, the vehicle parts are modified. We simply ensure that there are no substances present that might pose certain health hazards or smell unpleasant. And we also make sure that the overall level of chemical substances inside the vehicle remains as low as possible. A neutral smell and the scent of leather. Those are the Audi customer preferences. The Audi and its fragrance, an essence of the senses.